Alright, welcome everyone. So in this video, we'll go through our price action for gold and silver. Starting with gold on the daily time frame. We are overall bearish. This was the break. This is our current, I think, yeah, this should be our current range low. Let's mark this out. This is now our range low. So if price is to get to this point, then we know that we have ourselves a new range low. So that is it. Yes. Anyway, so looking out for zones here, this zone is still intact. That is the zone at 4,423. Yeah, still intact. Then price is currently reacting off a lower time frame zone, possibly on the 4-hour time frame. And after this aggressive move now, we have ourselves a new demand zone that we could see price tap come into later. Now we could get a reaction off of it before it break, or he holds it. So that is what I'm looking out for. This one is at 4111. Yes. Now if you check out our most recent price action, this is what happened here. So price broke this range here, forming this as our candle range, and we got firstly a reaction off of a lower time frame supply zone and a weak move, and a closed below the opening, making it a bearish candle. So all this is indicative of price finally coming here to sell to the downside. Now we could get that today, or this could end a bullish candle today, and then from next week Monday downwards, we could start seeing price selling. So that is what I'm looking out for. I think for now, I'll be waiting to see price move into the bearish state, and then I can join the sales to this level. Then when we get here, I'll then stay out and watch what happens before I'll start seeing if I should buy or I should wait for a re-entry to sell from. So that's what I'm suspecting on gold on the daily time frame. Moving down to the 4-hour time frame, this is our structure here. We are bearish. This is the break, the low, and the high. So that is our bearish order flow for gold on the 4-hour time frame. Now, if you check out the most recent price action here, we got a break here. Price finally broke this level, this low. So this is supposed to be a candle range. Price has now broken above here. So we could see price coming here to buy. This would have been a better place to sell from if we had gotten a bearish engulfing candle, then we would have just marked here. But the fact that this is a relatively aggressive candle to this, we can still see if price gets here and then sell. But like, we were not entering a trade here directly. We should look for something like a bearish engulfing. Then you start looking for how to enter at this point and sell from there. So that is it for what I'm looking out for there. We could start seeing some reactions off of this zone, then we'll see if we can sell from there or not. On the 1-hour time frame, what can we see? So on the 1-hour time frame, we have this range here. This is the high, this is the break, and this is our low. So I think we can now draw this, or rather mark this out as our 1-hour range high. Now this is it here. We didn't get that formation on the 4-hour time frame, but we did get it on the daily. So now we could see price selling from there. What I would like to do is see a form of candle formation at this point, possibly price going to the upside and then having a wick here before a selling candle. Then we can start looking for selling positions. So that is it. The level at 4259 is what I'm watching out for. Let me see if I can just mark it out here. So we are currently in that range now, but we'll keep watching to see if price starts reversing. On the 15-minute time frame, I can't really see anything special happening there. Oh, okay, let me draw this. This is our new 15-minute range high. I do think as price is here now, we could see it sell from there, changing character at this level, and then start looking for supply zones to continue to sell from. So that's what I'm looking out for on the 15-minute time frame. Don't forget to like the video, comment, turn on the notification button, subscribe to this channel and my other channels. If you need analysis on other asset classes, you can check those channels out. Also, follow me on TikTok and X, and most importantly, join the Telegram community. All the links will be in the description. Let's move to silver. So silver on the daily time frame. On the daily, we are bullish overall, and checking out most recent price action. What can we see? Okay, so now it looks like price is using this as a supply zone to sell from, because what we are seeing is the price has given a weak here and a bearish candle, meaning that we could actually see it sell from this point, possibly to this level. This is where I'll be looking for exits from trades if I'm to be on a trade. The point at 60. So that is it on the daily. I like as this candle had a week, at least now it's indicative that price could actually start selling to take out this other low. So that is it. If apart from that, I think this is a valid place to sell from. This is a valid supply zone. Let me draw it and extend it. Yeah, and this also. So the zones at 72 and 64 are valid zones. This one also is a zone at 85. So yeah, that's it for the daily time frame. Let's just check out the 4-hour time frame. So we are getting close to the high of the 4-hour time frame, meaning we could start our bullish change of character very soon and then start ourselves a bullish move. So that is it on the 4-hour time frame. This is a very, very sweet supply and demand zone, the zone at 60, this one here. So yeah, this could be liquidity. Price could come here. Oh, sorry, so this could be liquidity. Price, this is the primary zone liquidity. Price could come here and then buy to that side, or it doesn't even come there, it just starts buying from there because it's really close to it. So that is it on the 4-hour time frame. Let's check out the 1 hour. I think the 1 hour has the same structure as the 4 hour. Yes, it does. So on the 1 hour time frame, price actually came here to buy, but from this demand zone here. So that is a very, very nice place. Okay, if that is what happened, then what it means is that this zone might not really be worth waiting for anymore, because now it's just going to take, I think yeah, it's just going to take out this point. Now this is also what makes it better. This was liquidity, meaning that okay, this zone was actually a nice one, consolidation before an aggressive move away. Then we had price here take liquidity here, that is, it swept this low and closed above, making it what, a strong zone. So you could have entered here, placed stop here, and your target will be this high here. So that should be around a quick 1 to 4 plus trade. So yeah, it should be a very, very nice one. We'll see what happens soon. Going down to the 15 minutes time frame, do we have anything? Okay, no. So this is it on the 15 minutes. Price actually changed character there. This is a 15 minutes high that I do expect price to break, especially as we have seen what is happening on the 1 hour time frame. If you also check the 15 minutes, there isn't any valid zone here that you could be scared of price reacting from. This is like liquid trend line liquidity. So yeah, I do expect this high to get broken at some point to change character back to the upside. So that is it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and join the Telegram community. All the links are in the description. Thank you, and we'll see you again later. Bye.